Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode I'd like to show you what happens when you index one of the columns in a list or library and how it affects also the views. The reason that you do indexes is because it makes it easier to fetch the data, and especially when you have the limit of 5,000 threshold, then this is supposed to help. So let's see what we need to do. So we have a list which is called project list. We have a column which is a title which I changed to project name, and we have project ABC, and we have a choice column which is a status that has 3 values: new, in progress, and closed. Now let's just set a view. So what we can do is set a filter and say that I want only the in progress. So I set this, and now it's filtered, and now I can save the view as only in progress. So I save it, and actually, as you see, I have the all items, and now I have the in progress. Now, if we edit it in through the classical way, we can go to list settings, and we can actually go to the view that was created, and we will see actually that these are the columns. And what happened is, in the filter, he set the status column to the filter would be status, and it's looking for it's equal to in progress. So this is how it looks now. So let's cancel it. Now let's say we know the list is going to be very big, and we want actually to improve performance and not to get into a problem of threshold of 5,000 items. So what we can do is we'll go to the gear icon settings, and we will go to list settings. Under list settings, we can go down until we find indexes. Let's scroll down, and index column. Now I know automatically after 10,000 items, or Microsoft automatically sets some columns as automatic. You can see here you can set up to 20 indexes. There's some columns that you cannot set. I think multi-line, and there's several others that but you can check that later. So let's create a new index, and actually these are the columns that can be set. So let's take the status, and let's create. By the way, you can create a secondary, and you see actually the status is there. We can also create another one. I don't think we have any columns that we have. We could set it on the title or on the created date. So I'll click create, and actually it will work. And now we will go back to the list. Okay. Now when we go and edit we can go to this view, and we can click here on edit current view. Now you will see that automatically this column has been changed. Instead of status, we have a status index. So we also have a status index, and we also have a status which is not indexed. So this is something that you should notice. And here automatically you see that actually it set it to the indexed one, which is good. You didn't need to do that. If you had additional columns, it would set the index, because it's better for the performance and presenting. So this is what I wanted to show you, and hope you learned something new. Thank you very much. Goodbye.